welcome back. Today we're going to make something so simple and quick but delicious. That's right, we're going to make some eggless chocolate cupcakes with a delicious peanut butter frosting on it. This is so quick that the first thing you have to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. The ingredients that you will need are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, maida, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. My sugar has really big granules, that's why I like to give it 1 pulse in the mixie. 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now the wet ingredients: half a cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of curd room temperature, 1/4 cup of milk room temperature, 1/4 cup of hot coffee, which is 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, and 1/4 cup of hot water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's get started. First we're going to make the cupcakes. First we're going to add in all of our dry ingredients: the flour, the sugar, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, and the baking soda. And now we're just going to whisk it all until it's well combined. Now it is well combined, so we're just going to make like a well in the dry ingredients. And now we're going to add in all of the wet ingredients, starting with the oil, then the curd, then the milk, the coffee, and finally the vanilla extract. Now we're just going to mix it until it's all mixed well together. Now it's well mixed. Don't overbeat the batter, just mix it until it's combined. To fill the batter into our lined muffin tray. fill it maximum 2/3 of the way because they are still going to rise. This recipe can give you approximately 10 to 12 cupcakes. By filling it 2/3 of the way, I got 10 cupcakes. If you want 12 cupcakes, you can just adjust the filling level. Now we're going to bake these in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes. Just check with a toothpick when you think that they are done, just to make sure that they are done. Now the cupcakes are done, so we're going to take them out of the oven. Now we're going to let them completely cool before we can put the frosting.
For the peanut butter frosting, you will need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, we're going to take the butter and the peanut butter and put it into a bowl and either mix it with a whisk or beater until it's creamy.
Now you're going to mix this on low speed until it's all mixed in. Now it's nice and creamy and also well mixed. If you have to scrape on the sides, just use a spatula just in between, scrape on the sides if you feel that you can't beat it. So now we're going to add in the powdered sugar slowly. I'm just going to mix it until it's combined. Now we're going to add in the vanilla extract. And mix it. Now just in case that you feel that your frosting is a bit too thick, just add in like a tablespoon of milk. I feel my frosting just needs a bit of milk. for the last step, we're just going to mix this on high speed for 30 seconds. Now I have mixed it. So now the frosting is ready. You can either pipe it in a piping bag or just spread it with a spoon. I'm going to pipe it in a piping bag. Now I'm going to put it in the piping bag and pipe it on the cupcakes. I really love them. They look so pretty. Now let's find out how they taste. They taste absolutely awesome. The cream is just wonderful, and then the cupcake's texture, it just completes it. I really hope you guys try this recipe. See you until next time for more videos and more recipes.